Next week we're having an open workshop week. We're getting ready today to welcome people like you, by invitation only, to come and see us, to meet the people actually building the product. Daniel here, welcome to Sussex Campervans. Lots of people are interested in getting a campervan, and they either end up visiting some one-man band who they just can't really trust to do it right, or they end up at a big company who really are a sales forecourt like buying a car. But we're a little bit unusual at Sussex Campervans. You see here we've got 30 people working every day on building, maintaining and supplying campervans to people just like you. Come in with me and let's have a little sneak peek and see what's going on this morning. This is our aftercare department, which is the end of the process, but it's perhaps the most important to show you, because the people who work in here are the people who are going to be looking after you during our 36-month warranty while you're enjoying your campervan. This is our materials department, where we range all the parts to build a campervan. We've got materials and tooling as well, everything arranged on a Kanban system so we never run out of anything. We've got our electric charging systems ready, all our accessories, everything's ready to build your campervan. We're sprucing the whole place up to get ready for our tour week, because we really want to make people just like you welcome here at Sussex Campervans. We want to show you the inside story of how our campervan is born, and we want to be ready to do it as well. This is our upholstery department, where we make fantastic seats and beds and beautiful soft furnishings for campervans. We buy the highest grades of product, as you might imagine, but you've got the chance to come and see it being done, to come and meet the people sewing and cutting and upholstering seats. Look at this fantastic range of cloth and leather and different products we've got here. It's a lovely place, and I love the feel in here of creativity and craftsmanship. We've got everything we need here to make a first-class job of your campervan's interior. There really is so much choice. We've learned so much from Toyota. We manage everything on this system of Kanban cards, which have the work instruction, and they turn into the label for the finished product too. We've designed all our own furniture. We don't buy anything in, it's all our own designs, and my colleague Alan here is just perfecting a little bit of CAD programming for our CNC machine to cut today's furniture. We'd love you to meet him and come and see the beautiful stuff he's making. Look at this lovely piece of furniture. This is due out mid-morning today, going into a client's new campervan. Come and visit and see our process, see how the product you're going to enjoy is actually put together from scratch, and meet the people who do it. We design all our own electrical and plumbing systems here, which gives us a lot of control, so we can bring the best innovation first from Sussex Campervans. We track everything so we can ensure that quality is built into the process at every step. We'd love to see you at Sussex Campervans. Come and meet us. We'd love to make you really welcome and give you a great time. Come for your personal workshop tour in our open week next week. Make a booking, because space is limited, but we'd love to welcome you here to meet everyone and see exactly how a campervan is born. Hope to see you soon.